Welcome to episode 14 on how to make a GTA 5-star game in Unity 3D. Quick thing, I said last week that you need Pro for the nav mesh. Apparently you don't need Pro anymore, which is useful. But today we're going to be working on a few little things. I'll just show you what it is quickly. Oh, it's to do with IK, which is inverse kinematics. I'll just show you what we should end up with at the end. Essentially, where, say, you had the gun coming out of his shoulder, it's where the arms move correctly and the elbows move correctly to make it actually stick to where the grip in the handguard is. So, what we want to do, what we want to do is a gun main point, and then you can pick up a gun. Okay, so I want to open up player controller and go gun spawn point. How have we done the guns? Item. How have we how have I done the guns? That's a weapon, okay. Weapon. We actually want to open up weapon then. And we need to create two new transform variables. Transform grip and both public transform. Actually no. The first one will be right hand point, and second will be left hand point. Okay, so now what we want is in. Do we have a? How have we done the guns? We have a current gun. Okay, so how are the guns assigned? Assigned in GUI manager, correct? So let me just have a look. This is a character. Okay, character controller. In hand we should have. We have a variable called in hand. Okay, it is okay. Okay. In hand instance does instantiate value. Okay, what we want to do is go create a new method, void on animator IK. Make sure you yes, I just spelt it all like I have. And then we want to go, oops, if, because we have our animator variable up there, so we want to go if anim, which is the name of the variable, does not equal null, and then open a code block, and then if in hand also does not equal null. Actually, in hand is a generic class, so we can't do that. Right. Yeah, in hand does not. No. Okay, what we need to do now is go, because this is a generic class and it's awkward with nulls. What we need to do is open up Game Manager, scroll to the bottom where we have our item class, and go public item none, and then make that a property, and just add a getter, which will, oops. Get return new item, which will just return an empty item. So now go back into player controller. If if in hand does not equal item dot none, apparently that doesn't exist. Okay. Item dot none. See if that just got me an error, because I think I may have one. Oh, sorry, what is this? Yes, I have an error. Okay, right. That was a fail by me. In game, it needs to be a static item none, not public. Well, public static. And now that will be accessible, and the error should go away. Yay! Oh, what's this? Okay, good. Okay, so now we need to go. Right, we need to go weapon W equals in hand dot instance proof. Where's in hand instance? Because apparently that exists. Okay, down there. Okay, let's go in hand instance dot get component. Get component weapon, and then we need to go if W does not equal null. I'll just go through what this means in a minute. Go anim dot set IK position weight, and go avatar IK goal left hand, and then 1, and then do the same but change it to right hand, and then we need to do set IK rotation weight, set IK rotation weight, and now we need to actually set the IK rotation and position. So we need to go anim dot set IK position to IK goal dot left hand, and the position will be W dot left hand point, and then do the same with rotation, and then do it with the right hand as well. So set IK rotation, and I will now change this to the right hand. Now I'll go through what this means. The onAnimator IK method is the method. It's essentially like late update. It allows you to change the position of an object even if it's being animated. The if anim does not equal null, it checks if it exists. The in hand does not equal item dot none, checks that if the in hand property up here actually is something, and then we get the variable W, which will be a weapon from the in hand instance, and then it checks if W does exist, and then it sets all the IK positions. So now we have, oh yes, we need to go left hand point dot position, left hand point dot rotation, and we do the same here for the right hand. Oh, I also did right hand point here, left hand point instead of right hand point. There we go. Good. Now what I will do is set up all the IK points. So we want the hand. Hold on. Yes. What I will do is go game object. I'll create an empty game object. Drag it as a child of the gun, reset it by going to the little cog and then reset, and I will name this right, and it will be sort of there. Then I will I'll duplicate it, move it sort of there, and I will name it left, and now I will assign these two variables to the right hand point and left hand point. Apply, So good, that is a chest. Right. Now let's hope that there are chests. There's a gun in any of these chests. There's them walking to the shop. Oh no, I have nothing. It's useful. Capture. Ah, no reference. What is this? Teach chest to update. What's that? Right, that has nothing to do with the actual. Or was the. What was it? It was caption. Have a look. Why is the left hand not there then? What did I do animator IK wrong? Let me have a look. I'll just pause it quickly. Okay, the reason it wasn't working was you have to go up to animator, click the arrow at base layer and click IK pass. And as you saw, it spawned at the hand, which will make it look a bit weird. So I'm just going to create a empty spawn at an empty object at the there. It is shoulder. What I will also do is make it a child of spine 2. Now it is there. And it is now the shoulder. Move it forward a bit. Okay, good. Gun spawn. And then add the hand. What is that? Why is it there? Okay, apparently why we have a gun spawn point variable. Let me see if we can use that. If okay, what we can do is go in the item, public item in hand, in the set where we have if value does not equal null. We want to go if value dot instance prefab dot scripts dot prefab dot get component gun, no, not gun, weapon dot type of weapon. Actually, just if. Actually, no, that's completely wrong. I want to go weapon w equals value dot instance prefab dot get component weapon if w, and then if w dot weapon type of weapon is equal to weapon type dot gun. We then want to, hold on, let me just create a couple of code blocks here that I missed out. Okay, there we go. If type of weapon is weapon type dot gun, instantiate it at gun spawn point dot position and gun spawn point dot rotation, and then else for the gun type, else spawn it at, oh, and we want to set the parent to the gun spawn position, else spawn it at the hand dot position and hand dot rotation and set the parent to hand, and then else for if w, spawn it at the hand again. There we go. Well, that should spawn it at the gun spawn point now. apply. Now I'm going to have to do this for each of them, unfortunately, but yeah, did not mean to do that. Copy component. No, wrong one. Oh. Copy components. Paste them. Okay, I don't know why it's not done there. Right, and then set to gun spawn, apply, gun spawn, and then for Carl as well. Gun spawn, oh. Component, this component, up. There, and set gun spawn to that. There we go. That should be okay. Now, oops, oh yes, I forgot to press save. Okay, I will do that next time. Sphere capture, blah. Rid of that, save. I then capture, and there we go. It looks a bit weird because I probably did the rotation wrong, but okay. There we go. I did the rotation wrong, that was why it looks a bit funny. And I will just quickly adjust the hand things. Oops. Rotate. Out. There we go. Nope. Up. And there. That's good. There we go. And he now can shoot, and shoot himself apparently, because it's probably facing backwards. Is it? Hold on. It's... I don't know. I don't really. Okay, that's good. I'll just copy it. So yeah, that's that done. How long was this? Can't have been very long. Very sure it doesn't say. Okay, whatever. Thank you very much for watching. You can obviously set it all up how you want, set all the rotations up however you want, but that's just the basics of the inverse kinematics, or however it's pronounced, I have no idea. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry, this is probably a short one, but it doesn't say how long it actually is down there. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one, so don't forget to do all the likey stuff and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. So yeah, bye bye.